how to use Chime temporary card in store. So when you snag that fresh Chime temporary card from the store, getting it set up is a breeze. As soon as you ask for a new virtual Chime card, it pops up on your Chime app like magic. No extra fuss needed. To get your hands on this virtual card, just follow these steps. First, open the Chime app and tap on Settings. Then cruise over to your personal info and click View My Card under the Adapt Card section. And you'll find all the deets there, like the card number, expiration date, and the CVV. What's neat is that Chime users can link this temporary card to suite payment apps like Apple Pay and Google Pay. That means you can swipe your way through stores and gas stations that take those payment methods. You can even link it to the Venmo or Cash App to keep the money flowing. With this, you can go all digital and pay for stuff from a bunch of different shops and services. How cool is that? I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.